Hey guys, thanks for clicking this video. And in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to file your LLC and your EIN number in the state of Illinois. And you guys, this whole video tutorial is only going to be about 5 minutes, so click the link in the description below. That way you can follow along with me. I'm going to be doing it on my computer screen at the same time you're doing it on yours. So by the time we're done, you will have your LLC filed. And you guys, I promise you this process is so fast and so easy if you follow along. I've seen a lot of videos on YouTube that are really long and detailed, and I have no idea what they're doing because I'm telling you this process is so quick. So again, click the link in the description below and let's just get right into it. All right, so it's going to take you to the 𝗤𝙀Brands website, and I love using 𝗤𝙀Brands for this because it just makes everything really easy and really clear. So let's start by clicking Illinois. Okay, and now you're going to type in the name of your business to make sure it's available for an LLC. So I do eyelash extensions on the go. So I'm going to type in my name. And now it's just asking what stage that you're currently in with your business. Just click whatever applies for you. And what industry do you fall into? So you may fall into a couple different categories. And you'll see as you type a letter in, so many options come up and they get really specific too. So I'm going to type in eyelashes and boom, there it is. And then what is it that you offer? So you're either selling a physical good or a professional service. For me, I'm providing a professional service. If you happen to be selling a product too, you can click this or just click one or the other. And if you have something that's neither of these, you could type it in, but I honestly can't even think of anything that's not one of those two. So just select from these options here. And are you planning to hire employees? So let's just say you don't have employees, you file your LLC, and then you decide that you do want to hire employees. That's totally fine, and it's not going to affect or change your LLC. You won't have to refile it. So this is just asking where you're at the moment. Okay, now you're going to type in the zip code. And like I mentioned, I'm mobile, so I'm just typing in my home zip code. You could type in the zip code of your business if you're at like a store or a shop. And then again, it's asking, are you selling online, at a brick and mortar, or on the go? So online is like e-commerce, maybe you have a website. Brick and mortar is any sort of shop, store, retail, anything like that. And then on the go is mobile, or like they say, a real estate agent, maybe landscaping, anything like that. So for me, I'm on the go. And let's just say I also had a website that I'm selling products. I can click online as well. So click all that apply for you. And today we're just getting our LLC, so make sure you click it so that it's highlighted in blue. And I also want you to get your EIN number. So select this. Basically, your EIN number is like the social security number of your business. So you're going to need it when you file your business taxes. You're going to need it if you open a business credit card or a business bank account. So at some point down the line, it's really beneficial to have an EIN number. And then you can see 𝗤𝙀Brands offers all this other stuff. So if you want to go back in later and check them out, or check them out now, let's say you need like, I don't know, a logo made or a license or a permit. I love that they offer all this. It's like a one-stop shop for everything business related. So click whatever you need, but for the video, we're just going to do LLC and EIN. All right, and you guys can just skip this part here. You found 𝗤𝙀Brands through YouTube. And 𝗤𝙀 Brands is just offering a free 12-week business coaching program. I like to select yes for this because first of all, it's free. Maybe I can learn something that helps me make more money. Great, right? We love that. So I'm going to click yes, but feel free to hit no thanks, if you're not interested. And now you're going to type in your contact information. And you can create a password. Okay, and again, it's asking you if you'd like 𝗤𝙀 Brands to file your EIN number for you. So if you want to save the money and do it yourself, you can. What this entails is you'll be doing it through the IRS website. They only allow you to file Monday through Friday, even though it's electronic. So for example, today is Saturday for me. So I wouldn't be able to do it until Monday. And I personally feel like, the IRS website, government websites are a little bit tricky to maneuver, in my opinion. So for me, it's completely worth paying Taylor Brands $99 to do it for me. It's one less thing I have to worry about, one less thing on the to-do list, and like pretty much just me clicking this button, it's out of my head and they're gonna do it for me. So to me, that's worth the peace of mind. Let's hit next. Okay, and as far as being a registered agent, so a registered agent is basically who is receiving the mail for your business. So if you live in Illinois and you are opening your LLC in Illinois, you will be your own registered agent. Now, let's say you have an accountant and they've told you otherwise, or maybe you live in a different state opening your LLC in Illinois, then you would need to assign someone that lives in the state. So most of you guys, if you live here and you're opening your LLC, you will be your own registered agent. So click this option here. Are you sure? Yes. Okay, and every single year you have to renew your LLC. So if you forget to do it, they'll give you some reminders, but eventually you have to pay late fees, fines, things like that, and just a whole pain and mess you don't want to deal with. So if you can handle to do it on your own, click this right here if you want to save a little money. If you're worried you might forget, you can have Taylor Brands renew it for you every single year automatically. One less thing to stress about. It is $199, so keep that in mind, whichever you want to choose here. And would you like a branding toolkit? I'm just going to click no. Okay, and do you want your LLC expedited to you in 2 days? It's only $49 extra. I want mine as soon as possible, so I'm going to click yes. But if you want to save that $49, you can wait for 2 weeks. Still pretty quick. It just depends on your timeline, and there's this option here. Okay, an operating agreement. You guys don't need to worry about that. So click I'll figure it out myself. And would you like a formation kit? I'm going to click no. Okay, and this is definitely something to look into if you are planning to really grow your business or maybe your business is growing really fast. So Taylor Brands offers a service to where they get you all of your bookkeeping, your invoices, your finances super organized. So you pretty much plugging in all the numbers, calculating everything so easily that it's going to help you grow your business, make the most money as possible, so you're not missing things or missing invoices, anything like that. Definitely recommend it. They give you a free trial. I don't know the cost at the end, but like I said, it's something to consider. For me at the moment, I'm going to manage my own books and invoices because my business is small, but probably when I start to grow, I will look into this option. And yes, we want to get notified about our LLC. Okay, and you can check out these plans that they have. They do offer a lot of good stuff. But today, just for an LLC and EIN, we're going to click this light plan. No need to pay anything extra, so let's go for that. Okay, and here is what we're paying for today. So the Illinois state filing fee for an LLC is $154. This is a mandated state filing fee. No matter how you get your LLC, it's going to be the same price. We're getting our free business coaching program. And then we're paying that $49 for 2-day expedited filing. Now, these things are not highlighted, so we don't have to pay that. And our total today is $203. Now, after your LLC is filed, then your EIN number will be created. So this $99 will come through as a second charge. So don't be surprised if you see that other charge. First is the LLC, then is the EIN. Okay, so now you're just going to enter your credit card information. After this, they're going to ask for your address. As far as your address goes, I always enter my personal address, like my home address. You're not going to get, trust me, you're not going to get bombarded with mail or spam mail or anything like that. It's basically if they need to contact you in reference to your LLC. So I haven't run into any issues putting my home address. Maybe if you have a storefront, you can put that. But yeah, that's it, you guys. You have just filed your LLC and EIN number. You can see how fast and easy that was. But if you do have questions, please leave them in the comments below, and I would love to talk to you guys and answer any questions you have. And that's it. I wish you the best of luck in your business, and I will see you guys in the next one.